summer camp last week? What did we do? And what movie did we see? That's awesome. What was the next thing we did?
Sports day!
And was that super fun?
Yeah!
And what did we do at sports day? Cool. What else did we do? What else did we do? Did everybody have a kite? That's awesome. And what else did we do that was fun? What was your favorite part about the splash park? The rain? Nice. And what else did we do? What was the last thing we did? Eat? Did you guys go to the water museum? And what did you guys learn there? About water. Awesome. Did you guys have fun? Yeah! Everybody show me chariot. Chariot. King Ram.
It was so fun at kite day, like flying our kites and like trying to get them flying and stuff. And like the wind was too strong that like mine like started to blow very tough with the trails. The helicopter like started to go down to the ground. And then like the kite went like crazy loopy loops like. And like I'm like, oh my god. And then like I told Layla, look at my kite, and then she's like, oh my god. Like, we had a lot of fun. Kites were flying everywhere in the sky. And my kite really didn't fly, but it was still fun. And at the splash park, there's like those we're playing water guns, and I like when you fell down, like super hilarious. So and then I like I like when it rained, and I like when everyone was screaming like when it was raining. And the water museum, I like about the water museum because that's it. That sports day, it was good. We had to go so fast. I wanted to be the fastest, but the fastest was at the back. It was so weird, and I just wanted to back. The water park, there was fun. I thought there was gonna be like a pool there for us to swim, but there's not.
You slipped and fell. That was funny. We threw water balloons. What else did we do? Oh, we had water balloons. We sprinkled water at each other, and we had water guns in water. Those things, spray things. We sprayed each other, and Mr. Pedro fell like 5 times, and he got hit by a lot of water balloons. And that's what we did. We did a lot of water stuff. We learned about the water that comes from the
Holograms, and we saw like sewer systems. We also talked about it.
We're able to talk to you too.
We saw a lot of water. We learned about the cleaning process of water, and I suffered.
I learned how to put trash on the floor.